YouTube, what's going on? Got another grow tent video. What I'm doing today, or tonight, excuse the ripped glove, the Incredible Hulk. What I wanted to do was up pot some of these tomatoes. And I have a bunch of cups right here. It's time for these tomatoes to get some new homes. Okay, that's looking dry and crispy. Now, this is just an example of what I do when I want to update my pots. I'm about to turn the fan on here because it's kind of warm. Okay, so I have a few tomatoes, and what I normally do is, okay, got them right here. What I did is I labeled one. So these was planted on March the 2nd. This is one. So in my book, I have a list of what each tomato group is, starting from this side to that side. So each group is a different type of tomato. This tomato right here is doing very well. But I'm just going to show an example. I'm not going to do all these on camera. Okay, let's go for this one right here. The good thing about it is the soil's moist. Look at the root structure. Also, too, see how these little fine hairs, I don't know if you can see that, all little fine hairs up and down the stem. Pop the tomato in. And bury it all the way to here. And then water it in. Now what I've just done is the little fine hairs will eventually grow to roots once you touch the soil and touch water. It'll make the tomato a little bit more stout, sturdier. And from there you have a more healthier tomato. Also, I'm going to put in some fish emulsion, but I'm going to really dilute it so I won't have that odor in the house. And in a few months, maybe a month or two, I'll be able to take this outside. It should be about this big. That's what we're shooting for. But just wanted to give you a little quick video of potting a seedling. What can it be called, a seedling? Yeah. We're going to call it a baby tomato. You see how it looks now? Today's date is the 20th of March. So these have been 18 days. Okay, stay tuned for the next video.